The array.filter method creates a shallow copy of a portion of a given array, filtered down to just the elements from the given array that pass the test implemented by the provided function. To demonstrate that, we have an array of objects. Those objects are animals, and right now we want to create a new array that will consist only of the animals of type reptile. So to achieve this, what we can do, we can say const new array equals animals.filter. That takes a callback function, and here we provide the element, the current element, and we can directly say return the element of type which is equal to reptile. Now if I console log the new array, so I can say console log new array, save this and open the terminal and run node script.js. To execute this, we can see that we are logging a new array only consisting of objects that are the elements that are passing the test. We are filtering by the type of reptile. I hope you like this video. This is your first time watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the future.